What's going on too? We out here on the water. Man, me and your boy Bo Shifter on the kayaks day 2. I wasn't able to make a day 1 video. I forgot my GoPro, but he got one on his page. Y'all could go check Bo out at Bo Shifter on YouTube. We had hit us a few. We running it back today. Got one. Got one on the revolver. Got one, Bo. A largie. Got a largie. Woo. Got a nice largie. On a Guggen revolver, y'all. I'll get myself situated. He stung it.
Huh?
He stung it.
What you hit him with?
The revolver.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
About a pound?
Probably like probably almost a 2. Probably like. He was right there. Throw that revolver, dog.
That's what I'm gonna do. You want a picture?
Yeah, you can take a snap on pic. A little larger.
Move your foot, man.
It's great. Just lift up on the yeah. Shit. He smacked it. We got Bo on the camera, man. Bo Shifter, man. Got a nice largie, not too big. He hit it like he was a 10-pounder though, but
That's in the open area.
yeah, it look like it's a little another cut. Yeah, Bo, you gotta throw that.
Still got the sunlight too.
Yeah. Throw you the top one. They sitting in them bushes. You know, there's like another round, like a feeding time for them too. Oh, it's a big old rock right here. Oh. It's a big old rock right here. Be careful. Yeah, y'all, it ain't that easy fishing from these yaks, man. Got it? It's kind of hard to fish from these things. I want me another top with that thing. But nah, wait till you see it on video. That thing say blah. Woo. Woo. Big old spider. Had to get him up off me, man. That's another thing. Y'all went fishing with these kayaks in these trees. You got spiders. You got all kind of stuff. I'm just throwing up against these trees and stuff. That look like a juicy little spot right there. Got another one. Got another one, y'all. Yeah, look a boat, y'all. He's switching over to his revolver. I told him, y'all. Say, put on the revolver. Put the revolver.
You came off?
Nah, he's still on. I'm just a little tangled. Yeah, y'all, we hitting the largies today. Last time we was out here, we was hitting the peas. These largies like this top water though. I ain't complaining. About the same size as the other one. He got a big old hole in his head. Or either that or somebody tried to bowfish him or something. You guys let me know if you see this hole. Let me know what you think this come from. Look at that. Like somebody shot him or something. Or a bird probably pecked him. I was about to say, hit that revolver, like in them dark spots, both. That's where they at. You gonna know that top water, well, that thing.
I heard him hit that.
They hit it hard. Every time like they like 10 pounders, but you pull them out, they like little 1 pounder. Like you see, like you got lily pads, you can hit like the little gaps and stuff. See like stuff like that right there. Shit, you probably hit these trees, boy. It's probably one up under that bar. I'm talking about you with the top water.
You ain't pulling yours no more?
Nah, I put my jerk bait on. I want to try to catch a P for my subscribers. Got one.
The big one?
I don't know. I ain't seen a P. Got me a P. Got me a P for the subscribers. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, gotta watch the toes with these troubles, y'all. He hit that joker right on the edge, bro.
Yeah.
Like literally, like I ain't must get to reel it. You gotta be careful with these peacock. They are very aggressive.
You got them off?
Nah. I need my pliers. Oh. Woo, gotta be careful, y'all. I left my pliers in the back. So I gotta reach back here. Cause he's hooked good. I hooked him really good. I know. Got a nice P. Let that bit fella go. He out. He almost hooked my toes, y'all. He almost got me. One thing with them P's, they get aggressive, boy. They don't like the... Right, as soon as I threw like that, boy, he was like, I don't like he was under the dirt or something. Heard me?